Conservation of momentum states that the total momentum of two objects before a collision is equal to the total momentum of two objects after the collision, as long as no external net force acts on it. This is also true for two objects that start together and separate. When shooting the gun, like you've seen in the video, the gun recoils when the bullet leaves the chamber. This occurs because the momentum of the gun and the bullet is 0 before the shooting and 0 after the shooting. But how does this occur? The reason is because the actual gun is much heavier than the small bullet, but the small bullet has way more velocity than the gun. Momentum equals mass times velocity, so they equal out to 0 before and after. Newton's third law states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. So when the air pushes out of the balloon, it forces the car to move in the opposite way. Another way to imagine it is to say two ice skaters that were standing face to face, but they pushed against each other with their hands. One would go right and the other would go left, in opposite but equal directions. Newton's first law states that an object in motion will remain in motion and an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by a force. That is why the egg falls into the water, and that is also why the coins continue to fall on each other. And this is also why when I pull the cartridge from underneath the cup, they tend to fall and land on top of each other one by one.